Welcome to the TFTP Recovery Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to use TFTP, also known as Recovery Mode Update, to recover a Yealink phone. This is useful when your device gets stuck in a boot loop or when a factory reset isn't working correctly. Before you can get started, you'll need the following: a TFTP server, a computer with web access, and a phone on the same network as this computer. You'll need to download and install a TFTP server. After you download the TFTP server, you should put the necessary Yealink files in the /srv/tftp folder. With the phone powered off, press and hold down the speakerphone button. While holding it down, plug in the Ethernet cable into the internet port. Press 1 for TFTP. As an alternative mode of recovery, you could press 2 to use a USB drive. You'll now see IP address, netmask, gateway, and TFTP IP on the screen. Once you're done filling in all the fields, press the OK key on the phone. It will now begin requesting the files you downloaded earlier. It'll take several minutes for it to complete. If it was successful, you'll see that your phone has now been factory reset. If not, make sure the TFTP server is retrieving the correct files. Congratulations! You've successfully recovered a Yealink phone with TFTP. Check back for more telephony-related guides from Voxtelesys.